Okay, guys, so we're going to have a recap of the Friday the 27th. So on the higher time frame, what we have is, clear bullish trend. Okay, so the idea is that we're going to keep on going long. Okay, even we don't have any break of structure here, but we have to care about this huge displacement, which is could be a good signal telling us that we are going to lose our bullish trend for a while. But we are inside the discount zone, so we to go short, we are to wait for the price to reach the premium zone. Okay. So what about key levels? We have Asian session low and high. Okay. We have here a very good pull low, and here as well. Okay, here we have equal lows, so this could be a key level in which price could probably react to go to keep going along. We could have a zone yet, but it's already being tested at 50%. So we have a poor high here, which is a very good sign telling us the price could go higher. And obviously this is a very good supply zone, too good probably. So my opinion is that this could be an obvious supply zone. Okay, if we consider we have a poor high on the top of the zone, probably this zone will be violated. Okay, so without further ado, we go on to 1 minute time frame, and let's see what we can do. Okay, so price already being already taken the already to the Tokyo low. No zones. Okay, so we have the first break of structure here, which is this one. Okay, with this low. So this is the first zone that we have to consider. When you see this kind of thing, I don't feel comfortable to take the middle one, so the 50% entry, just because this is dynamic liquidity that usually price want to grab. So a very good trade could be this one. Okay, very good trade in terms of risk to reward. So to see if it could be a good zone to take, we go on 50 seconds time frame, and I will add this good thing. So if you use supply and demand profiles by Luxalgo, taking the zone, so from the high to the candle that broke the high itself, it's a good way to see if we are trumpet traders. We are inside the bullish zone, so we are looking for trumpet sellers, which are here. Okay, so to be honest, we can go along with half zone. We outsize probably. Okay. Anyway, let's have a look what happened. Okay, so nothing. Oh, sorry. In the meantime, let me see if we have order to take. Okay, so 2231, which is probably okay. Let's move ahead. Sorry, just looking for chart. I'm live, obviously, and wait for the price to reach a good zone right by now. So I do this back test with this rake up during live session. Okay, so we don't have any break of structure here, so this zone remains okay valid. Price broke the structure, so this could be a higher zone to trade. Okay, and if this is a strong bearish trend which is getting validated here and price go test this zone, so what does it mean? That this whole zone is it's a zone and test the zone. Okay, so what I suppose that price will go here somewhere taking orders and go higher. So this could be a good trade to take. Okay, so now we have a lot of levels to take here. Okay, so this zone is becoming interesting. Nothing yet. Nothing yet. Which is unusual, to be honest. So I'm looking if we miss something, but can't see anything, to be honest. Okay, so we go down, we go ahead. Okay, this could be good, but we don't have any break of structure here. We have a break of structure here. We are long. Okay, so this would be risky, to be honest. So the zone I'm looking for is this one. Okay, so we have sweep liquidity, we have break of structure, we have displacement, so everything is good. We can try. I'm not comfortable now because we are against the main trend, but let's have a look if we can take the zone. Okay, we take and we take our stop loss. So first trade, first stop loss. But now we have another huge displacement in which we have this new zone. Okay, we don't have any fair value gap here, so this could be good as well to take. Okay, so the zone that I'm looking for is this one. Okay, I repeat, when you take a stop loss with a strong displacement, we are in front of probably we are in front of manipulation. So the zone that this stop loss has been created is good to be taken. Okay, this is not a zone. I mean, this one is not a zone because we have a fair value gap here. Even if it's tested once, twice, 3 times, so probably it's not been testing anymore. Okay, so we can take it. We can take it. Let me just highlight the zone because I want to miss them. Here we have a fair value gap, and we go higher. Nothing to do. Nothing to do. We have to wait. We have to wait for the EM session. So one trade, one stop loss during this morning. Seems strange, to be honest. Just looking if we missed something. Okay, doesn't matter. Okay, usually London session is the session in which we have so many trades. Okay, which we have a lot of trades because is not could be a high directional trade session, but usually it gives us a lot of opportunities. Okay, so 9:30, so this is not valid. 9:30, and let's have a look if we are 9:41, so we have to wait for okay, so now we have time to trade. So I cannot consider any zone here. Okay, this is all dynamic liquidity, even if we have liquidity, so this could be a zone as well. Very good to take. Let me have a look here. Let me have a look. 15 seconds. So we have strong bullish displacement and strong aggression 9:30. Okay, so we can take it. Okay, so this could be the second trade. Let me 1 minute. Okay, and as you can see, we have our second trade, take profit. Okay, so we covered the first loss. Then we have another zone here. Okay, this will be another zone. There are two problems. The first big problem is this one. Okay, so this is not a displacement. I mean, it is some manipulation. I'm sure that this is a very good zip liquidity. The problem is that we are in a clear short trend, bearish trend, and we already get manipulated here because we have a strong displacement, get the orders of this untested, unmitigated zone to go down. So with this huge manipulation here, entry triggering this way could be very risky. Okay, this is a falling knife. To be honest, I don't feel comfortable to enter like this. Okay, probably now market is going up, but I don't care. I mean, okay, and I was right. Okay, so you know, when we have this breakout structure, we know that we are clearly bullish. Okay, we are bearish. So what does it mean? That when you see this is another zone to trade. Okay, here. Okay, and unfortunately this was another zone, very small one here, but I didn't get it, didn't see, so it doesn't matter. Probably with this zone ahead, above, sorry, I will not take this this as well. So let's see what's happened. We are always bearish. Okay, look here, we have another structure, another trade here. Model 1. Okay, because we have triple liquidity, we have breakout structure, we have displacement, and then you see this is the third trade. Probably I hope take profit. Okay, so third trade, second take profit. In the meantime, we are approaching Monday opening, so let me just check if we okay. So we move ahead. Sorry, 227, which is here. Okay. Oh, let me check this trade. So yeah, this is the first zone that we highlighted this morning. In the London session, so is valid, you know, because the first zone of the morning session, if remains unmitigated, is valid. So the entry will be here, stop loss right below the low, and take profit here. We take the fourth trade, so 1 stop loss and 3 take profit. Okay, we move. No breakout structure here. Breakout structure here. We have all this liquidity here. I don't like it, so no trade. Perfect. We can delete this one. We can delete this as well. Okay. And this is not a zone because we have a fair value gap here. Okay, this is a fair value gap on medium time frame, so we cannot consider the zone. Okay, even if we take this the profit, I don't care. From my backtest, I saw that if we have a fair value gap above our bearish area or below our bullish area, a lot of the times we became liquidity. Okay, and we get a New York lunch session. So we ended this London session and New York AM session with 3 take profit and 1 stop loss. Okay, this is because we don't have any opportunities during London session, so we miss the whole session, the whole session, which is a session, as I told you, in which we have more opportunities. Okay, so guys, hope you like this video. Let me know, use the comment section below. See you in the next recap. Bye.